Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson, and every time I come to this channel, I like to do something a little different. So here we are, right? So let's go and look inside the basket and see what she chooses this time, okay? Oh, it's a sriracha mayo. I guess we had it in the fridge, so she pulled it out. Some green onion, that's see better days, but oh, I had some buns. Cucumber, she loves cucumber. So some pickle. Oh yeah. So what it is some carrot, pickle, and daikon. You saw those ingredients, but I look at that and go, is this gonna be a vegetarian bao? I'm gonna put a couple more ingredients and bring it together, right? Because she loves her sandwiches, so I'm gonna bring that together. It's gonna be delicious. I know that for sure. This is an easy one, and I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna find the chicken that she says she has. I'm gonna bring that to here. I'm gonna bring this sandwich together, or this bao together. It's our take. It's not the original. It's our take. Okay. And now I'm gonna put it together. Okay. So I add some jalapeno because my goal is to make a spicy chicken bao. All right. So jalapenos. I love jalapenos. You have your fresh cucumber, just cut up a bit. You have your pickled veggies here. You have some green onion. I'm gonna chop this green onion up. It's washed and clean. So I'm making, here's a chicken that I found. So what I'm gonna do with this here now, I'm gonna put some of that sriracha mayo that you see on it. I'm gonna add some more spice to it to really spice this stuff up and get it going. So take some of this spicy mayo that you saw me there. Cucumber, jalapeno, pickle, bit of green onion. Okay, you want some, right? You have to follow the recipe and try it. Okay, let's try it. Wow, you gotta follow that recipe. Try it. Okay. Now, I want to thank you first of all for always watching, following us, and giving your feedback to make this channel better. So thank you again for watching. Anyone Can Do This.